Before you buy your next car gadget, watch this, because most people end up wasting money on accessories that look cool, but don't actually solve anything. So instead of showing random stuff, I found 25 car gadgets that actually fix real problems, the kind that make your car smarter, safer, and way more convenient. Some of these are simple, some are surprisingly smart, and a few of them honestly game changers. And if you want to grab any of them, all the product links are in the description below. Just don't skip too fast, because your next favorite upgrade might be coming up. Let's go. If you've ever been stuck in snow or mud, you know how frustrating it can be. These snow chains give your tires instant grip, helping your car move easily on slippery roads. You can attach them within minutes without any special tools, perfect for winter drives, mountain trips, or emergency situations. It's one of those things you might ignore at first, but when you really need it, it can completely save your journey and keep you moving safely. Want your car to look shiny like new without spending hours? This Waxer Buffer Polisher makes everything super easy. It removes light scratches, spreads wax evenly, and gives your car a smooth, glossy finish in minutes. You don't need any professional skills to use it. It saves time and effort while delivering better results than manual polishing. Once you try it, you'll never want to go back to doing it by hand again. Long drives can get boring, especially for passengers in the back seat. This headrest monitor turns your car into a mini entertainment system. You can watch movies, play videos, or connect your device easily. It's perfect for road trips and keeps everyone entertained throughout the journey. No more constant distractions or complaints. It makes every ride more enjoyable, comfortable, and stress-free for both the driver and passengers. This might look like a simple tool, but it's extremely useful in real situations. A refueling funnel helps you pour oil, coolant, or any liquid without spilling a single drop. No mess, no waste, and no dirty engine area. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store in your car at all times. Sometimes the smallest gadgets solve the biggest problems, and this is definitely one of those tools you'll be glad to have. Dropping your phone, keys, or coins between the seat gap is one of the most annoying things while driving. This gap filler blocks that space completely, so nothing falls inside again. It also gives your car a cleaner and more organized look. Installation takes just seconds, but the convenience it adds is huge. Once you start using it, you'll wonder why your car didn't come with something like this already. Driving with incorrect tire pressure can be dangerous and costly. This monitoring system shows real-time tire pressure and alerts you instantly if something goes wrong. It helps improve safety, fuel efficiency, and overall tire life. Easy to install and works automatically while you drive. It's not just a gadget, it's a smart upgrade that gives you peace of mind every time you're on the road. A dash cam is one of the smartest upgrades you can add to your car today. It records everything happening on the road in high quality. Whether it's an accident or an unexpected situation, you'll always have proof. It starts recording automatically when you drive, so you don't have to worry about turning it on. It's small, easy to use, and can protect you from big problems in critical moments when you need evidence the most. Imagine seeing your speed and navigation without looking down at your dashboard. This heads-up display projects important information right in front of you. It helps you keep your eyes on the road while still getting all the details you need. It feels modern and futuristic, but also makes driving safer and more convenient. Once you start using it, going back to a regular dashboard will feel outdated and less efficient. Getting a flat tire in the middle of nowhere can be stressful and time-consuming. This repair kit helps you seal punctures and inflate your tire quickly, so you can get back on the road. You don't need to wait for help or struggle with changing the tire manually. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for emergencies. Keeping this in your car can save you a lot of time and unexpected trouble. Leaving your car under direct sunlight for long hours can damage the interior over time. This automatic car tent opens up in seconds and protects your car from heat and harmful UV rays. No complicated setup is required, making it very convenient to use anywhere. It helps keep your car cooler and maintains its condition, especially during hot summer days when heat can become unbearable. Reversing your car can be tricky, especially in tight spaces or crowded areas. This backup camera gives you a clear and wide view of what's behind you, reducing blind spots and making parking much easier. It helps you avoid obstacles and park with confidence. Easy to install and very practical. It improves your driving experience and makes daily parking stress-free. Car security is something you should never ignore, especially if you park your vehicle outside. This car alarm system alerts you instantly if someone tries to break in or tamper with your car. The loud alert acts as a strong deterrent and scares away potential thieves. It adds an extra layer of protection and gives you peace of mind wherever you park. A dead battery can ruin your entire day, especially when you're in a hurry or stuck somewhere unexpected. These jumper cables help you start your car quickly by connecting it to another vehicle. They are simple to use, durable, and designed for emergencies. Keeping them in your trunk ensures you're always prepared for sudden battery failures, making them one of the most essential tools every driver should carry. Keeping your car organized can be a challenge, especially with grocery bags or daily items. This headrest hanger lets you hang items securely behind your seat, preventing clutter and spills. It keeps everything in place and easily accessible. A small and simple accessory, but it adds a lot of convenience to your everyday driving experience. Sometimes, small issues in your car need quick fixes, and that's where this precision screwdriver set becomes extremely useful. With multiple tools in one compact kit, it allows you to handle minor repairs easily. It's portable, versatile, and perfect for keeping in your car. Instead of searching for tools when needed, you'll already have everything ready. Parking in tight spaces often leads to scratches on your car doors. This door protector absorbs impact and prevents damage when opening doors near walls or other vehicles. It's easy to install and provides long-term protection, a small investment that helps keep your car looking new and saves money on repairs. Washing your car doesn't have to be difficult anymore. This electric pressure washer makes cleaning fast and effective by removing dirt, mud, and grime easily. It delivers powerful performance and gives you a professional level wash at home. It saves both time and money while keeping your car looking fresh and clean. Keeping valuables in your car can be risky, but this headrest safe offers a hidden and secure storage space. It stays out of sight while protecting your important items. A smart and discreet solution for extra security without affecting your car's interior look. This multi-purpose washer is not just for your car. It can clean bikes, driveways, and more. It delivers strong pressure for deep cleaning and handles multiple tasks efficiently. One tool that does multiple jobs, making it a great addition for everyday use. Sometimes your car shows warning lights, but you don't know what they mean. This diagnostic scanner reads error codes and tells you exactly what's wrong. It helps you understand problems before going to a mechanic, saving time and money. Easy to use and very helpful for maintaining your car's health. Running out of battery while driving can be frustrating. This 3-in-1 car charger lets you charge multiple devices at the same time with fast charging support. Perfect for long trips and daily use, it keeps your phone and gadgets powered up at all times. Weak signal during travel can be really annoying. This signal booster improves your network strength, helping you stay connected for calls and internet. It's especially useful during long drives or in remote areas where signal is low. If your car breaks down at night, visibility becomes a serious concern. These emergency roadside flares make your vehicle clearly visible to other drivers, reducing the risk of accidents. A must-have safety tool for every driver. Cars parked under the sun heat up quickly and damage the interior. This sunshade umbrella blocks sunlight and keeps your car cool. It protects your dashboard and seats from heat damage and is very easy to use daily. Car theft is always a concern, especially in public areas. This handbrake gear lock adds an extra layer of security by locking your car's controls. Strong, reliable, and effective, it helps keep your vehicle safe wherever you park.